Me no want nobody I come attack me. But what me say about Shawn Storm and the car. What me say me mean it. I mean I take back what me did say. That car there, we have to big up say Shawn Storm get a car. Do you? But that car there, brother, no make no sense. You're too big for that car there, you're too tall for that car there. That brother, better the man alright. If the car there 2024 or 2023, better let me take a 2020 car then. Take a 2020 X5 then, or a 2019 X5, or a X6 or something, man. Dog, Shawn Storm a artist, bro. Shawn Storm a star. What you talk about? Them man fi look like star, Shawn Storm fi get a house too. And we not talk about house where somebody just give a living. Shawn Storm fi get a house with him name pan the title. Free for tech. So rather mash up him and Kartel stay friends forever. It no matter of theme house that. You see me? Can't give the man X0 bridging. It's crazy. Me no know. So, alright, let me tell you something about me now, people. Kartel can't ever vex with me now. Him have to just understand, so you know, say Foota the realest thing. Because the people that we laugh with him and talk with him, they're not telling the truth. I pay a hypocrite. Because Shawn Storm not like the car. When we see the video, Shawn Storm begs. Like Shawn Storm, I said, at least them come surprise me with. I first be my make a Japan. You can't, when you give them a Japanese BMW, I'm mad. Everybody I talk about it afraid to talk like. We have to just be honest. Kartel could have buy Shawn Storm a decent vehicle. First thing, Kartel not have to buy that. Kartel can tell somebody say, yo, I want the X6 for Shawn Storm, you know. And I fastest that ready. And what I'm telling you, man, if you have an X5 or an X6 or an X7, or one that him couldn't even buy Shawn Storm when I E300 Benz them. And it would have worked better. Me understand me I say? Yeah. Cause big man think me here saying a Kartel buy the Bima. Me say a Joe buy it. Up at Bima place beside AC Hotel. Me just a telling no people. Me don't know if it's true. But that my sources them tell me. Say a Joe buy that car there. And a Kartel. So, you see me I say? Me just a talk the truth. If Kartel want to hate me, I feel business. But the truth are the truth. I mean I like how I move with Shawn Storm like that. Personally, me no feel say Shawn Storm and Kartel good. I feel like them a put the best out. But them, it no look like them good. Me just attack my mind. Who want hate me, me cure blood clots here. It no look like him and Shawn Storm good. Me, to how him a move with Shawn Storm, me not think him and Shawn good. Me I watch them from them come from jail. Me notice him fly out go much island. Shawn not gone nowhere with him. And Shawn have passport too.